Assalamualaikum. This is our ongoing new project. Today will be finalized, finished lighting, indoor, outdoor, everything will be final. Khalas, alhamdulillah. See the first, the columns, the boundary wall will use up and down light. Same inside also. See, top the balcony will use the cylinder lights. IP65. That is the stair lights. See the design. This is the small landscape area. For that area also will use up and down light. These are our genius electrical team. They will fix everything. See. This is the outdoor look. MashaAllah, see the spike light for the trees. All lights, MashaAllah, wonderful design. See up. If you want latest design, latest lights for your villa, for your plaza, anywhere, just contact with us. Inshallah, we'll make your villa more luxury and with latest, with modern lights, inshallah. See the column, making a strong design with the small up light towards both area. See the provision on the wall. That is the car parking area. Top of the parking area also will use some cylinder lights. See, look everywhere. Now this is the back side. The small landscape, up and down light wall, small spike lights, and that is the water fountain. See the look, the light everywhere. You will enter inside the villa. That is the smart system functions. This is the passage area. See, we'll put here the middle area. All is the light anti-glare. The light will be visible on, but they will focus only down side. When you look the front side, the light didn't affect your eyes also. See, that is the anti-glare spot light. Passage. After that, this is the family living area. Here we'll use anti-glare, some spot light with the magnetic thread light. See the look. That is the magnetic light. And that one is the double height. For double height, we'll use multiple spotlights. So now we'll show you the family hall. That is the family hall. Here we'll use same anti-glare spotlight, big sizes. Wa alaikum salam. Have a look. The corner top of the curtains also will use strip light. See, look. This is the washroom, top of the washroom. Two spotlights which is focused directly in the wash basin. See, both focus. This inside hammam. One wash up, one WC. One is focused for wash up, one is top of the WC. And here also we use this open dining area. The corner, the magnetic light, the middle, the chandelier with fan, and rest area, top of the dining we use linear light.